What's your knowledge on black holes? Ever wondered what would occur if you fall into one? Imagine you're on a space exploration mission in search of a new human inhabitable planet when you stumble upon a black hole. Intrigued, you decide to investigate. So, what unfolds if you were to fall into a black hole? Contrary to its name, a black hole isn't just a void. Einstein's theory of relativity explains how these cosmic entities form. When a massive star meets its end, it leaves behind a smaller remnant core. If the core's mass exceeds 3 times that of our sun, gravity triumphs over other forces, transforming it into a black hole. However, its name can be misleading. It's not an empty void, but an immense amount of matter crammed into a remarkably small space. Visualize the sun with a gravitational pull 28 times stronger than Earth's. It means walking on the sun would make you 28 times heavier than on Earth. Now, envision compressing 4 suns into a space merely 15 miles in diameter, a distance you can traverse in just a 30-minute drive. So what's the gravity like within a black hole? It's so intense that even light can't escape, rendering them invisible. However, their presence can be detected through gamma-ray bursts, named after Stephen Hawking, who discovered them. Hawking speculated that black holes might serve as gateways to other universes. If you were to fall into one, could it lead to an alternate dimension? Each black hole has an event horizon, the boundary beyond which gravity is unbeatable. Outside this point, you'd witness stars contorted around a flawless circle of darkness. As you get drawn into a black hole, you'd accelerate rapidly, propelled by the formidable force of gravity. Bad news for the intrepid space explorer. The gravitational pull of a black hole is immensely powerful. If you descended feet first, your legs would experience a stronger pull than your head, leading to a stretching effect on your body. The prevalent stellar black holes can span approximately 9 miles in diameter and weigh as much as 20 suns. If drawn towards a stellar black hole, you'd be torn apart well before reaching the event horizon. Opt for a supermassive variant, approximately 1 million times heavier than our sun. In this scenario, your body would remain intact upon crossing the event horizon, with gravity exerting nearly equal pull on both your head and feet. Curiously, you needn't look far to find one. There's a supermassive black hole right at the heart of our Milky Way galaxy. Fortunately, it's a staggering 165 quadrillion miles away from us, posing no threat to the sun or planets. Crossing the event horizon marks just the start of the challenge. At the black hole's core lies a gravitational singularity, where density becomes infinite. You'd be compressed into this center, merging with the black hole and unable to share your experience. Yet, an observer outside the event horizon would witness a different spectacle. As you fell into the black hole, they'd see you gradually slowing down, growing dimmer, and reddening. Ultimately, you'd freeze, never crossing the event horizon, as space and time trade their roles within a black hole. At the event horizon, time halts, while space continues its forward march. Escaping the black hole or reversing time becomes as impossible as the other. Even when the black hole meets its end, releasing absorbed particles, discerning whether those particles were once you becomes an insurmountable challenge. Stephen Hawking, however, devised a method to preserve information about your body, preventing its loss. Hawking proposed the existence of alternate universes with distinct histories, implying that in one reality, you plunged into a black hole, while in the second, no such cosmic abyss existed. Determining the presence of a black hole from outside the event horizon remains uncertain until you venture within. If you cross the event horizon into a black hole, it's a farewell. However, in a reality without a black hole, you'd persist in an alternate universe with no route back to ours. Are you up for exploring this possibility? Enticed by the mysteries of black holes and the universe? Write your answer in the comment. I'll love to read it. Soon, we'll embark on your next hypothetical adventure. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.